Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mainframe Interview Guide. Today, we are learning one of the most important topics in the mainframe world, JCL. If you want a job in mainframe development, production support, batch operations, or interviews, JCL is mandatory. Today, I will explain JCL in a very detailed but simple way. Let's begin. What is JCL? JCL stands for Job Control Language. JCL is a scripting language used on IBM mainframe systems, ZOS, to instruct the operating system on how to run batch jobs. It is the command language for batch processing. It is a set of statements used to instruct the operating system. JCL does not perform calculations like COBOL. Instead, it tells the system, run this program, use this dataset, allocate this space, send output here, execute these steps. So JCL controls execution. Why JCL was created? Large companies needed a standard way to run recurring jobs. Examples: payroll every month, billing every night, bank statements daily, file backups weekly. JCL was created to automate these tasks in a reliable way. Why JCL is important? Without JCL, A, no batch jobs. B, no reports. C, no payroll runs. D, no file processing. Why JCL is important. Where JCL is used. JCL is used in almost every enterprise running mainframes. Banks use JCL for reports and account processing. Insurance companies use it for claims processing. Retail companies use it for inventory jobs. JCL is everywhere in enterprise batch systems. Real-world payroll example. Imagine monthly payroll. Input file contains employee records. A COBOL program calculates salary. Another step calculates tax. Another step prints reports. JCL controls all these steps in sequence. How JCL works internally. First, developer writes JCL. Then job is submitted. JES, Job Entry Subsystem, reads the JCL. JES validates syntax, queues the job, assigns priority, and sends it for execution. After execution, output goes to spool. Spool means temporary output storage. Core parts of JCL. Every JCL beginner must learn 3 core statements: job statement, exec statement, DD statement. Later, you learn advanced statements like procedures and conditions. Job statement detailed. Here you can see the JCL structure. // pay job. Job class equals A, MSG class equals X, notify equals ampersand sysui. How does system know? Mainframes run thousands of jobs every day. But how does the system know exactly what to do? How does it know which COBOL program to run? How does it know which input file to read? How does it know where output should go? The answer is JCL.